Hey there. Now I want to continue on from the last video, which was about verifying your domain name. So once your domain name is verified, the next thing you need to do is prioritize the events that you want to track on that domain name. So to do that, go to the menu here on the left and select pixels. You should already have your pixel set up. Select your pixel and then open it in Events Manager. Now once in here, you'll see a section that's been added quite recently called Aggregated Event Measurement. We're going to go in here and configure web events. So you'll see Kelly's domain name, which is now verified, but there are no configured events. So I'm going to come in here, click Manage Events, and we can start adding events. So here we'll select Kelly's pixel. And so here it's showing the events that's been captured in the last 28 days, which is leads. So we're going to add that one, then we're going to add more. And now let's just assume it's more like traditional e-commerce. So of course we'd want to add purchase and work back from there. So we would have initiate checkout. We'd have add to cart, and we'd also have view content. So that's, if it's traditionally e-commerce, view content is viewing a product. So there are of course other events that you might like to add here. You can see the list here. So it depends on your website, depends what you're doing. You might be using complete registration, for example. They would kind of be the most common though. A page view will be tracked by default anyway. So I'll just remove that one. And because you need to prioritize them, these are all in order in terms of what somebody would do, like view a product, then add it to the cart, then initiate checkout, then purchase. So, but the thing is, a lead, like a purchase, would be more important than a lead. So I would actually put that as a higher priority. And you also actually might want to add, when somebody, the first one that's up here, add payment info, because, well, that is a step that somebody would take after initiate checkout. And if you want to track that, that might be useful to you as well. So I'm going to just click submit. So I agree to the changes, and now they're all in there for Kelly. We can come back another time and reorganize them, but in most cases, once you've done it, you won't need to come back and touch it. Okay.